Good afternoon. My name is Scott. I am the Client Community Relations Director for the estate planning and elder law firm of Parman and Easterday. And if you're receiving this, I wanted to give you a quick heads up about an exciting education program that we have coming up in the starting next week, actually. You may have received an invitation that looked like this in the mail. One of a couple, actually. This one was nice and hyper pink. One, so that you wouldn't miss it, and two, to celebrate springtime, which is coming on strong right now. We've got great weather outside. So we wanted to invite you to this education program. The title of the program is Reinforce Your Family's Peace of Mind by Guarding Against Issues That May Impact Your Estate Plan. And our expert panel of paralegals and attorneys will be covering some extremely important topics that we think that you should be aware of. And as you know, Parman and Easterday takes very seriously the responsibility of being in your corner all the time to make sure that there are no issues out there that may be impacting you or your family or your estate plan. So we are constantly, vigilantly looking out for those items, and what we then want to do is educate you about those topics and issues that may impact you or your estate plan. A couple of the topics that we'll be covering at this program. A big proposed rule change regarding veterans' eligibility for benefits. That's extremely important for us to be aware of. Why it's critical to take advantage of our complimentary consultations that we provide every year if you have Medicaid planning in particular. We've had a couple of updates along those lines, and we want to make sure that you're updated as well as you go through that process. The threats lurking when IRAs are left to non-spousal beneficiaries. The importance of generational planning to preserve your inherited wealth. The number one most common healthcare mistake for adults and disabled children. What really happens to spousal income after the first spouse passes away. And the number one best tool for protecting your business, your farm, or your ranch assets if you have one of those. That's a number of the items we'll be covering. We'll also touch upon some other subjects. A couple of things I also wanted to reiterate is that this education program is free, and it's open to both our clients and to guests of our clients and to friends of Parman and Easterday. So if you are a client of our firm, we invite you to come along, bring family members, friends, colleagues that you think might benefit from this program and get a valuable education. And if you're not currently a client, but you're seeing this video and you'd like to come join us, come on along. In fact, all guests are going to get a nice, fun gift from us as well, as a way of us saying thank you for coming and joining us for a great, fun program. In addition to that, whether you're a client or if you're a guest of a client or just a guest of the firm, we always provide complimentary consultations where you have the opportunity. It's a value-added service that we provide where you have the opportunity to sit down with one of our attorneys, use him or her as a sounding board for about an hour and just go over the questions that you have, issues that you may want to cover, make sure that you've got your estate plan either set up the right way, or if you want to discover how estate planning might be able to help you and your family, you can review that with the attorney as well. So to recap, a few points is that one, the education program is free, it's complimentary, and we invite all guests of our clients and of Parman and Easterday to come to the program. And two, make sure that you bring your calendar so you can take advantage of the value-added service that we provide, where you can sit down with one of our estate planning attorneys and go over your specific questions and your specific issues and how estate planning, either how your current estate plan is, and make sure your current estate plan is set up the way you want it to, or if you don't have one, how estate planning might be able to help your family. And then three, in order to RSVP for this program, there are a few different ways that you can do it. One, you can call our office and visit with Vicki, and she'll make sure she gets you RSVP'd, or you can call our hotline, which should be on the email that you are receiving this video through. Or you can just go to our website at www.parmanlaw.com and click on the Seminars tab, and there's a place to RSVP for the program there as well. So we look forward to seeing you. Really hope that you come and join us. We want to make sure that we help you usher in spring with a great education event, and thanks so much for your time.